Today we have VTOMAN's power tool set that's completely portable, handy, and easy to use. So let's check it out. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. Today's episode, we have partnered up with VTOMAN to check out their power tool package that is completely portable and super handy. And of course, we have all of our links located in the description if you would like to take a closer look. So this package is loaded down with some helpful stuff like a vacuum cleaner, an impact wrench, a tire inflator, and a booster pack. So let's take a closer look at what comes inside the case and give it a test. Alright, in these tough cases we have the air pump that has a maximum PSI up to 150 with the air nozzle. There's it, goes into your valve stem. We also have some fittings if you need to do a beach ball or a basketball, and just a blower there. We also have a cigarette lighter charger that goes out to USB-C, and of course our batteries. We've got two batteries. Then we have this tool. Not completely sure what that's for, but we have it. And here we have some sockets. We have a 17mm, a 19mm, and a 21mm. And we also have a portable vacuum cleaner with some attachments up here. A regular floor attachment, a filter. Then we also have these two extension attachments. And last, we have some jumper cables that will plug into the battery if you need that extra boost in case of an emergency. So let's carry these outside, put them to use, and see how well they work. The batteries are pretty nice with bi-directional charging with the USB-C port. You charge the batteries up and they can also charge your USB-C devices from their charge. There is also a port for the jumper cables for jumping off low batteries for that time of need. Now the impact wrench is extremely impressive. Not only is it built tough, but it takes off lug nuts without any problems. The trigger is a two-way trigger, pressing up for a direction and down for the other direction, so there are no switches to switch. It's all done quick and easy with the press of a trigger. And of course, while checking the impact wrench on the wheels, we went ahead and checked the pump and pressure gauge. While it was also impressive, it quickly inflated the tire pressure to the desired setting and auto cut off when it reached that setting. Well, you can use the buttons with the LCD screen to cycle through different settings, as well as set your manual setting, and it will start up quickly and get the tire aired up. While using the portable vacuum, that was another impressive unit, getting up dirt and trash in the floorboards with ease. The power button is a long press to power on and power off, while a short press will switch between the high and low speeds. While either speed has enough suction to tidy up the car with ease, it didn't take long to get all the carpets looking really nice and becoming my new favorite car vacuum. While you can also use it indoors, around equipment and pulling dust out of your PC fans. The VTOMAN set is an amazing set to have for any situation, in my opinion. I'll definitely be keeping it in my trunk for those road trips in case of that time of need. That being said, I would highly recommend this kit to anyone looking into it, and if you'd like to check it out for yourself, we have all of our links and details to this kit in the description. I'd also like to thank VTOMAN for partnering up with us to give you this review. If you found it helpful, make sure you give this video a like and get in the comments letting us know what your favorite part of this kit was. That is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so. Turn that bell on to receive notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.